In just the last 4 days, the amount of short positions on Ethereum reduced by 34%, with around $92 million of Bitcoin short positions closing. Market sentiment in the cryptocurrency space is changing right now, and that is confirmed by recent bullish price action on that of Bitcoin. If you look at the Bitcoin weekly chart and zoom in right here as the price resets, you can see that basically we're encroaching on a very slim level of resistance right now, dropping down to the hourly chart and zooming out just a little bit. We are kind of encroaching on the top of this VWAP right here. I expect to get rejected a little bit off this VWAP and continue trading sideways for the rest of this weekend. But look at this. This is the available liquidity. Soon as we break above the range of which we're currently sat at $17,000, current price of Bitcoin $16,960. But as soon as we break above $17,000, there is nothing stopping us. Literally nothing. The price can go sky high very, very quickly on the price of Bitcoin. The same actually applies to Ethereum right now, which recently, in the previous video, we plotted this chart right here. We predicted a breakout in the price of Ethereum. This is the exact same chart since then, and we broke to the upside. Right now, the price of Ethereum is consolidating again at the level of $1,265, and everything is looking fantastic. If you haven't seen the video that I posted on the main channel yesterday, you should go and watch it right now. And if you have seen it, send it to your friends as well, because that is an amazing research piece on a 100X altcoin gem. That 100X altcoin gem, I make no secret of it, it's XTP. XTP, I firmly believe in this company. XTP is a payment application that allows you to spend money from a bank account and have a crypto account in the same account. Makes more, it's like crypto.com, but a bank as well. So you can actually have like all of your banking information and details and everything you would get with a normal bank account. You get that from Tap. So you'll find that linked in today's video description. Please sign up, please make an account, because the best way to encourage a healthy environment for anything is by adoption. So please adopt the application in today's video description. Download it, have a look, see what you think, and let me know. Bear in mind that KYC is on a little bit of a backlog right now because thousands of people signed up for it last night, creating a few minor issues when it comes to, like, if you're trying to KYC 3,000 people in the span of a few seconds, like, it's really difficult. Of course, I don't know the exact numbers when it comes to the amount of people that have signed up, but I do know that it is in the multiples of thousands. It's a lot of people, and they have had backlogs. There's about 500 people are caught in a bit of a backlog right now. So just bear that in mind, but click on the link in today's video description to download the Tap application. A lot of people, again, have said, oh, look, this guy is going to dump on us. I want to show you, for a fact, I have not dumped on anybody. This is my current account. I'm pressing the refresh button right now. The page is refreshing so that you can all see I have not sold a single coin right here. You can see there's still the 247 million coins that I have, currently now worth a ridiculous amount of money. But again, just remember that there is not the liquidity to sell that. And also, I'm in this very much for the long term. Because of the amount of coins I've bought, there is absolutely no way that I can sell my position anytime soon until there is a liquid market. I'm waiting for the liquid market because I know when the liquid market happens, this could well be, for me, tens of millions of dollars. And I believe that for sure. There's very little doubt in my mind that this application can at least rise 10 times in price from where it currently is. Because if you look at the current market capitalization of Tap's application, it's only about $9 million. And a $9 million application, you compare that to Crypto.com with a multi-billion-dollar market cap. You compare that to SWISSBORG with a several $100 million market cap. And then you look at Tap, who have not quite as many users. I mean, they've got a very similar amount of users, I think, to SWISSBORG, but not quite as many users, of course, of Crypto.com, who sponsor Formula One and everything like that. For me, there is so much growth to be had in this coin. It's like investing in BNB, like back in 2018. I'm so bullish on this right now, which is why I really want you to go and watch the video that I posted yesterday so you can understand why I'm bullish on it. I'll be bullish on it when it's at a 40 million market cap as well. I know that it'll get there as well. That's the fun thing about this. It's low. It's so low. And there's space and time for anybody that wanted to buy it cheap, because currently, to get their top account, the top account on SWISSBORG is currently about $10,000 for that account to get 0 fee. The top account on Tap is currently about $500, something like that. So the value is just so disproportionately lower than the competition. I'm so bullish on Tap right now because I believe that the actual value proposition here is massive, considering you can use it as a bank card. That's big. That's really big. It's not like using any other kind of thing. It's a bank card. It's real. And also it's a crypto bank, which is good. Anyway, back to the price of Bitcoin. Let's not focus on Tap for too long, but please do go down into the video description and download the application. Also, I forgot to ask you so far. Guys, we're trying to shoot for a like goal on today's video. And that like goal is 500 likes. Let's try and do it. We failed yesterday. We failed the day before. We fail every day. But we can try for a 500 likes. So if you are a subscriber of the channel and you're very happy right now because the markets are rising, please do slap a like on today's video. I would really appreciate it. In all seriousness, we are trying to grow the channel to 100,000 subscribers in 2023 and the main channel to 500,000 subscribers in 2023. Ideally 1 million, but let's be more realistic. And yeah, on that note, let's continue on with the analysis. So when it comes to the price of Ethereum right now, Ethereum, of course, is looking for a breakout. And in order to confirm that breakout, essentially, we've got a very clear level that Ethereum needs to break out of. Technically, we have already broken out to some extent, but on a lower kind of scale, we need to break above this level of resistance right here. This level of resistance right here is currently sat at approximately $1,266. We're currently at $1,265. In all seriousness, though, Ethereum and Bitcoin will probably trade sideways today, tomorrow, and for the rest of the weekend. And then on Monday, we're expecting a massive breakout in Ethereum and in Bitcoin, because the markets do look to be turning quite a lot. When we look at actually the amount of people willing to short the markets right now, look at this. This chart will shock you. I mean, you've already seen it once, but the amount of short positions on Bitcoin reduced by 32% in a couple of days, 4 days. 4 days, and they reduced by that much. Nobody wants to short Bitcoin right now. There isn't the appetite. $94 million of short positions closing on one exchange in 4 days is huge. There just is not that short appetite anymore. And also, if you look at the long appetite right now, long appetite for Bitcoin, if we go to this chart right here, this is the amount of Bitcoin longs that are open. This is, there we go. If we zoom out a little bit, gives you a bit of perspective. That was a bit of a scary one to just start out like that, wasn't it? If we zoom out a little bit, anyway, it gives you a bit more perspective on what's happening right now. Basically, there is huge long interest in Bitcoin. That nearly didn't look very good, but actually it does still look amazing because of the huge amount of long positions open on Bitcoin right now. There is huge long interest right now in Bitcoin. People are excited about the market this year. People think the price of Bitcoin is going to rise this year. There is a lot of bearish negativity on Twitter, but I've, to some extent, kind of just calm down on Twitter. I'm not as interested in it anymore. The growth is done on that platform for me. I want to grow on YouTube now, which is why you should slap a like on today's video, because I'm going to be posting non-stop for the rest of this year. Every single day so far this year, I have uploaded the video to this channel, and that is not going to stop. Every single day, I will be here. So there's a couple more things I wanted to point out to you, because I don't think I've done it already in today's video. The price levels of which to watch on Bitcoin. Very clear resistance level right here. Currently sitting at basically $17,000. If we break through $17,000, we break very significantly to the upside, because we break out of this level right here. But again, in tomorrow's video, I'll be giving you an update on exactly where I will be placing my trades. To just quickly check in on my trades are currently all in a profit. As you can see right here, again, you've got the minus $6,000 loss that was from mitigating losses on this position to make sure we could keep it open. And now it's in a profit of $633. We've got $5,000 profit on Ethereum, $400 profit on Polkadot, and a $161 profit on Matic. We've got two little baby positions open down here, which mean absolutely diddly squat, because they're just pointless little positions. And on that note, guys, thank you all very much for watching today's video. If you are not trading already, check out the links in today's video description for both BitGet and BYBIT. Those are the two best cryptocurrency exchanges. Both have got proof of reserves. Both are perfectly safe. And both of those two exchanges have got massive sign-up bonuses. One's for $8,000 plus $15 for free for making the account, and that's on BitGet. You get your $15. It's deposited on a Friday into your account. But if you make a deposit as well and start trading, then you become eligible for up to $8,000 of trading bonus. And at the same time as that, you've got $30,000 available on BYBIT. All you need to do to claim that is literally make a deposit on the exchange and trade. All the information is on the link in today's video description for both of those offers. And don't forget, guys, please download the TAP application. Let's support the economy. The best way to grow any business is by getting people to use that company. Currently, TAP's user base grew by thousands of people overnight. Let's keep that momentum going. Tell everybody you know to download the TAP application, and let's create a 100x from this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, and goodbye.